We're here today to announce that we have consummated an agreement with Aldrich Capital Partners whereby they have made a $41 million investment in eHealth Technologies. The partnership we formed with ACP will enable us to accelerate our growth through access to broader segments of the healthcare ecosystem. Further, ACP's commitment provides capital for development of new products and services that will have a profound impact on the company and the markets we serve. Our customers span the country. We work with prominent HIEs and the nation's top-ranked hospitals, including 16 of the 20 U.S. News and World Report honor roll hospitals. National organizations like MD Anderson Cancer Center, Memorial Sloan Kettering, Cleveland Clinic, Stanford Healthcare, and the Mayo Clinic, as well as those much closer to home, like the Rochester Rio, who are with us here today, and the Erie County Medical Center in nearby Buffalo. ACP likes to be known as the entrepreneur behind the entrepreneur. ACP partners with entrepreneurs to scale their companies to be market leaders. Through ACP's investment, companies are able to leverage their operating resources, advisory network, customer and partner relationships, and industry knowledge to help those businesses realize their true potential.
We have known about eHealth for about 4 years. We've gotten to know the team really well over the last 2 years. Members of my team, Matt Lowen, Ajmal, and others, we've chatted with over 40 plus hospitals, a lot of clients. And everywhere we've gone, we've heard the same thing. We love eHealth employees. When it matters for us, when we need things turned around, when we need a solution that works and scales rapidly, that's when we deploy eHealth solutions. And we need innovative solutions that fix our healthcare system. And eHealth plays an integral part in reducing that friction in a person's life, for a health system, for the larger economy, for the state, and for the nation. Solving that critical issue, our investment is focused on how do we scale this business. We look forward to, for the next 5 years, 10 years, as we think about it, how do we take a business that's growing fairly well and how do we double that growth rate? That's what we'll be focused on.
This is a privately financed expansion. So this is not coming from government money. This is really coming this private investment, which I think is tremendous. I think Mirza outlined that. That's about confidence. That is about private capital going in, growing jobs in Rochester. And one of the things that we find here in this area, we are heavily dependent on government funding more often than not for economic development. City, county, state, federal partners. And this is just, I think, a tremendous breath of fresh air to have this investment, this vote of confidence for this great company here.
To Aldrich Capital Partners, thank you for investing in a company that really is doing a lot of good. You know, when we think about investing, we can invest in a lot of things and we can use our capital and our resources in a number of ways, but you have really picked a very altruistic way to make sure that a business continues to grow, that your company grows as well, but certainly that lives of many, many people, millions of people throughout this country are impacted by this great product.
This is a milestone to be celebrated. We're excited not only for our employees, but also for the community, our partner, and our customers.